Good morning. This is a really quick video to talk about what needs to happen for you to really make it happen. So what is it that's really stopping you? And the reason I'm inspired to talk to you today is that Mark and I put in a new strategy at the beginning of this year that we've been talking for years really about decluttering the loft, decluttering stuff in the house. And we knew that we needed to clear things out. We needed to make some space. And as we've been doing so, some real magic's been happening. Things have got easier. Money has come in, opportunities have arisen, and I've kind of known this, that I've been helping clients for years to clear away the beliefs, the rules, the clutter that's in their head, but also the clutter that we have around us impacts our thinking, impacts our clarity and our confidence. So I just wanted to tell you about the Make It Happen days that are starting. We've got one next week on the 21st of February. So you log in at 9 o'clock via Zoom, and you do a setup process with us where we'll ask you what you want to have happen, what you want to get out of your day. We'll be thinking about how you need to be and what kind of resource and support you need, and then you go off and do it. But I'll stay online all day, so I'll be there as a coach, mentor, so if you get stuck or you come across something. One of the hardest things about decluttering or getting rid of stuff, whether it's the thoughts in your head, the story or the process, is if you haven't got someone to share it with, you haven't got someone to tell them about it, then it can be hard to get rid of it. But sometimes all that needs to happen is that story needs to be shared. So maybe if you've come across something or you get stuck with something, then I will be there all day. You can come and chat to me at any time. We'll have some key points around 11 o'clock and again at 1:45 before the lunch break, and again at 1:45 where we'll check in with each other. And we'll all be back on the call at 4:15 to have a celebration between 4:15 and 5 o'clock, where everybody who has come onto the Make It Happen days will celebrate what they've achieved. Sometimes all that needs to happen for it to make it happen is you need clarity of what you want, you need confidence to do it, and secondly, you just need company, someone that's going to help you along the way, to cheerlead you, to encourage you, to have someone as a sounding board. Whatever it is that you need to do in your house, whether it's sort your office out, whether it's sort your filing out, whether it's get your accounts done, whether it's write your book, whatever it is, it's been on your list for ages and you keep thinking, I really need to do that. If the 21st of February is your day to do it, please check out the link above and come and join me on the 21st of February. Speak to you soon.